How to withdraw money from Empower Retirement 401k. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will have to go to your Empower Retirement account online or on the mobile app and sign in with your username and password. You will then find your 401k. You want to navigate to the retirement accounts and select the 401k you want to withdraw from. You will then request a withdrawal. You want to look for withdraw, distributions, or request a payout and click on that. You want to choose your withdrawal type. You have the option of lump sum, which is all at once, partial withdrawal, which is just a portion, or rollover to IRA or other plan to avoid taxes and penalties. You will then select your payment method. You can choose direct deposit, which is the fastest, or you can also choose a paper check. You want to review the taxes and penalties. If you're under 59.5, you may owe 10% penalty plus income taxes. Some situations like hardship withdrawal or leaving your job at 55 plus may have exceptions. You will then confirm and submit. You want to double check everything and confirm your request, and you will wait for the funds. Direct deposit usually takes a few business days, while checks can take longer. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.